This is the final video for experiment 13, and I have to make an apology of sorts. This is figure 13-2. I had wired this up. It was to the speaker, and it was giving this this sort of wailing sound. As I would tap on the electret, the 555 timer chip would have this. The speaker was just going crazy. I recorded a video, and I synced my phone to my computer, and now I can't find that video. So a little irritated. I'm going to keep looking for it. It could just be hidden. Maybe I saved it somewhere else. But in the meantime, apologies. I don't have this video to share. But for this video, I want to talk about, I'm going back a few pages to figure 13-5. Here, I've got two 2N222 resistors wired up. You'll notice that the base is wired up differently. Here, the base is wired to ground, and here the base is wired to 9 volts, right up here. But otherwise, they're wired up almost identical. Remember, collector, base, emitter from top to bottom. Now, here I've got it wired up, and I'm using the metal canister type. So if you use these, remember the little metal tab, and you really can't see, and unfortunately with my breadboard, you really can't see. There is a little metal tab right there. It's closest to the emitter. So just remember that if you use the metal canister types. I've wired it up, and so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to turn the power on, and I'm going to take a reading of the top canister. So I'm going to set the phone down while I get the leads put in. And just give me just 1 second. Okay, here we go. I've got the top one wired in, or the leads on the top canister, and you'll see it's reading 9.1 volts, which is pretty much what I'm providing it from the wall power. So I'm going to set the phone down again. And this time you're going to hear some beeps because I have to change the range of the meter. And if you give me just 1 second, here we go. Okay, now if you look, I'm recording. I'm taking a reading on the lower canister, and I'm getting 0.005. It fluctuates, but 0.005 volts. Now the book says that the top canister indicates that the transistor is off. Voltage at 9. That matches what I got. And it also says the voltage at this point should be 0.1 volts DC. I'm getting way less than that, but again, the resistors I'm using are 10K and 1K, but there could be some variance there. And also the 2N2222 transistor that I'm using could have some, some variance in its internal components or its chemistry. So, but I am seeing the results that Charles does here. Now, in the next video, I'm going to do this one.